What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, today Bitcoin is starting to pull out of its most recent correction. We know recently Bitcoin went from 73,400, dipped all the way down to 66,000, 68,000. Now it is starting to recover and pull back from its most recent dip, from its most recent correction. We've seen the altcoins have a crazy dip over the past few days. We saw some altcoins take a dip 28%, some went down 30%. But like I tell everybody over there in the Patreon, when you see these coins start to dip, when you see these coins turn red, those are immediate buy signals in a bull market. Now, currently, Bitcoin is sitting at 68,400. It is starting to recover, starting to head back to the recent all-time highs of 73,000. We're looking for the next leg up for $74,000. But first and next, let's get into the meme coin extravaganza. We have been seeing the meme coins just really go parabolic. This is something different that we're experiencing in this cycle. We know previously a lot of folks were saying, stay away from the meme coins. Be careful with the meme coins. The meme coins can get you wrecked. These are an easy way to get rug pulls, so forth and so on. But this cycle here, this seems like a meme coin cycle. This seems like a Solana cycle because all of the meme coins are predominantly, or a majority of them are on the Solana ecosystem. So that is why Solana is such a strong altcoin this season. Solana will definitely be challenging Ethereum for the number 2 coin behind Bitcoin this particular cycle. So that's why I tell everybody, you want to definitely make sure you got a nice bag of Solana in your portfolio. We've seen recently Book of Meme, BOME coin. Coin immediately came out on the first day and the coin did a 10x. We have been seeing so many of these meme coins do a 10x in a matter of days. Sometimes they do a 10x in their first day of being released, just as BOME, Book of Meme coin did. Lo and behold, then today we saw one of the coins that we have been talking about over there in the Patreon, Baby Solana, Baby Soul, SOL. That coin did a 10x just today. The coin was 1 penny. Now that coin is sitting at 10 cents, doing a 10x in just one day. These meme coins are making folks rich. While a lot of folks are telling you stay away from meme coins, you do not want to have your portfolio too heavy with the meme coins. Other folks are getting rich with these meme coins. So like I said, we're all the CEO of our portfolio. That is your decision. That is up to you how you play this cycle and how you play these meme coins. But, you know, we understand that the meme coins are high risk and they are a high reward. A lot of folks have been receiving very high rewards as of lately, messing with these meme coins. The meme coins do take a little bit of patience. Some meme coins you get in and you'll say, how come my meme coin not running? How come my meme coin not running? Let me sell my meme coin and let me go buy a Book of Meme. Let me go buy Baby Soul. And as soon as you sell out of your meme coin play, you'll wake up that next day and you'll be like, damn, I just sold my XYZ meme coin and now it's up 5x. Now it's up 6x. These meme coins definitely take a lot of patience. They do not run up all at the same time. So sometimes it takes sitting in that play for a week. Sometimes it takes sitting in that play for 4 weeks. But, you know, the meme coins are something special this particular cycle. That's why I always say you do not want to overthink the process. We want to take exactly what the market is showing us. We want to take exactly what the market is giving us. The market is showing that Solana is a powerhouse this cycle. And Solana is also showing that the meme coins that it is producing are going parabolic. They probably will continue to go parabolic. We're about 30 days away from the Bitcoin halving, about 1 month. We're still early and folks are making a lot of money. And a lot of folks are becoming millionaires in these meme coins. Like I say, you see meme coins going 10x in just one day. This is different territory that we've seen. We are in uncharted territory and so forth and so on. But, you know, continue to do your own research. Continue to be careful playing with these meme coins. Yeah, they're pumping. They're making profits right now. but who knows what's on the other side of the mountain. So just continue to do your research. And like I said, you guys come over there and join us in the Patreon. We would love to have you over there. You'll see all the buy signals, sell signals, and you'll see the various meme coins before they start to pump. You want to get into these coins before they do a 10x. So come on over there and join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. And like I always say, now get out there and do it to your servers and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.